This is a case study of a custom Mitsubishi HVAC installation in Eagle, Idaho by Peppy Heating and Cooling. Inefficient heating and cooling of multi-level homes is a common problem in the Treasure Valley area. By creating separate zones for different levels, comfort can be significantly improved, resulting in a more pleasant home environment. The challenge: the third floor of the house where all the bedrooms are located was never comfortable. The heating and cooling system was in the basement, causing the conditioned air to be at the wrong temperature by the time it reaches the top floor. The thermostat was on the middle floor, and the current ductwork prevents the installation of a zoning system. The solution? The installation of a 4-zone Mitsubishi Ductless mini-split system, which allows the homeowners to maintain the precise temperature they desire in each room without any problems. The benefits? A custom Mitsubishi mini-split system offers energy efficiency, savings on energy bills, and provides comfort through customized zoning. The system is reliable, durable, versatile, and suitable for various types of homes, including multi-level and add-on spaces. It operates quietly, requires minimal maintenance, and comes with a 12-year parts and labor warranty. Summary of a successful HVAC system installation: this customer was able to get a state-of-the-art ductless mini-split heat pump, which can heat and cool her entire house for an equivalent or possibly lower cost than replacing the current furnace and adding AC separately. She's also eligible for the 25C federal tax credit and will be comfortable in her home for many years with better indoor air quality. Homeowners review: we are thrilled with the results from the team at Peppy Heating and Cooling and thankful for how they took time to be so thorough with the bid for a Mitsubishi Ductless mini-split system, and they even got it installed so quickly. For the full details of this case study, including a downloadable version, please go to callpeppy.com/CS2.